So this is our induction and solar system electric vehicle. As you can see, this is our solar part, understand, which implemented. This is a DC multimeter, okay, that it's used to show the voltages that we get from the solar panel. And this at the low side, as you can see, this is our induction portion. It's not nicely made because of the time, but it's okay, it's functional and stuff. This is the induction, this is the receiving part, okay. You can see inside the two batteries inside, that's the switching area, okay, the switching area which switches between the solar and the induction part. This is the relay that is used to switch, okay, and this is the receiving part coil. This the receiving part which has the regulator, okay, the regulator and the rectifier for the receiving part. As you can see now, we are going to implement this car on our truck. This you can see this is our truck. Basically how it works is no problem, yeah. So basically how it works here, it's like this. This is our car. Underneath this truck there is our primary coil implemented underneath our truck, which is used to charge the battery in our car, okay. Through induction, the primary coil is in the truck and the secondary coil is on the car, as I showed you. You understand? So we can turn it on to show you how it is functioning. So this is how it functions. You have to turn it on.
Okay, 1 minute, stop. I will.
It's on already?
No, it's on.
Okay, so this is our induction portion. As you can see, we have the charging of this car. You can see it from the voltmeter that shows on the top. That downstairs in the below of the truck we have the primary coil, and on top of the car we have the secondary coil, okay. This is what shows the amount of voltage that we get for charging the car, okay. This it shows, as you can see, when it crosses here, this from this starts the solar charging. The solar charging starts because the induction portion is already over. We start the solar charging with this system. So we cannot see with the voltmeter because now we don't have sunlight in here. But if there was sunlight, we could show this.
Same this one.
So these sockets, basically, these are the sockets that control everything on the truck. These sockets are the transmitter socket. Okay, these are the transmitter socket that are built in of the truck. And this on the car we showed you earlier that we have the receiver side. You can see. Stop. Okay, the principle of this, as we explained earlier, is the transmitting coil, okay, transmit voltage from the primary coil to the secondary coil, okay. As we can see that this fan is working right now without any connection of battery source. As you can see, there is nothing here. When I remove it from there, it stops working. But when I put it back, it starts working again. As you can see, that this principle, we can use this principle to do many things. Like we can light also LEDs. As you can see, this LED has no battery power or anything, has no power source. But when you put it down here, you can see it's light. You understand? There is nothing here, it lights. You understand? And it's a very nice, you can see the power of it. You can see it goes up, it turns off. When you go down, it turns on. You understand? So this is the principle. From the transmitting coil to the receiving coil, we receive voltage. So this is the principle that we use to explain.
Stop.
Okay, as we can see now, we can also use this system to charge our phones and stuff. As you can see, it's charging. You can see with this distance, there is no any wire connecting it from the transmitter to the receiver. It doesn't. As you can see, it's charging again. You understand? So this is our principle that we are using to transfer voltage from the transmitter to the receiver to our vehicle to charge our battery without any wires and any system. And this system is online. As you can see that It is online because we don't park our car or anything. The car is on motion, constantly on motion, and it charges as it goes through the road.
Thank you.
Thank you. So as we can see that we get 8 voltages from the induction charging. So our car goes through the leg transmitter coils that are underneath our truck, and as it goes it still charges. Yes, let's go. It still charges, you can see it. It still charges. You see that, as we can see, it's still charging because we have several coils that are underneath our truck that we use as primary coils to charge our car batteries vehicles. From here you see from the induction portion, which starts from here and ends from here. Now the car switching system switches automatically, okay, from induction to solar. As you can see in this room, it's a bit dark, so we cannot see the voltage. But in a real situation where the sun is there, it switches automatically and goes to solar charging mode. That's our main purpose of our project.